Dear students, today I am going to explain you some questions from cube root for standard 8, ICSE and CBSE both. First question is cube root of 59 plus cube root of 129 minus cube root of 64. So, first work, this we have to do. Second work, this, and final is that. So first cube root of 64 we are finding, then 64 is equals to 4 into 4 into 4. For these three factors, one factor will be taken out. So this becomes cube root of 59 plus cube root of 129 minus cube root of 4 into 4 into 4. And that is equals to cube root of 59 plus cube root of 129. And for these three factors, one factor will be the cube root. Okay, so minus 4, and this is equals to cube root of 59 plus cube root of 125, and 125 means cube root of 59 plus cube root of 5 into 5 into 5. Here also again three factors. For these three factors, one factor will be out, and that will be the cube root of 125. So cube root of 59 plus 5, and that is equals to cube root of 64, and that is equals to cube root of 4 into 4 into 4. For three factors, one factor will be the cube root of 64. So 4 is the answer of this. Second question is cube root of 38 minus cube root of 1325 plus cube root of 216. So 216 is equals to 6 into 6 into 6. Or by prime factorization also we can find it out. So this is written as cube root of 38 minus cube root of 1325 plus cube root of 6 into 6 into 6. That means for these three factors, one factor will be out, and that will be the cube root of 216. So 38 minus cube root of 1325 and plus, so one factor is out, and then it becomes cube root of 38 minus cube root of, now this you add, and then we get 1331. And you know 11 into 11 into 11 is equals to 1331. So we'll write cube root of 38 minus cube root of 11 into 11 into 11. Now for these three factors, one factor will be out, and that will be the cube root of 1331. So 38 minus 11, and that is equals to cube root of 27, and that will be written as 3 into 3 into 3, that is equals to 3. This is the cube root of 27. Now question number 3. Evaluate cube root of 122 plus cube root of 20 plus cube root of 343. So first this work we will do. And so we will write cube root of 122 plus cube root of 20 plus, and 343 is written as 7 into 7 into 7. So for these three factors, 7 into 7 into 7, one factor will be out, and then it will be cube root of 122 plus cube root of 20 plus 7, and that's equals to cube root of 122 plus cube root of 127. 20 plus 7 is 27. And this will be written as 122 plus. And cube root of 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. So for these three factors, one factor will be out and that will be the cube root of 27. So this is equals to cube root of 122 plus 3. And that is equals to cube root of 125. And that will be written as 5 into 5 into 5. For these three similar factors, one factor will be out and that will be the cube root of 125. So 5 is the answer in this case. Now fourth, last question is this. Here also again we will start from this. Always we have to start from right side, the last one. So this will be written as cube root of 70 minus cube root of 225 minus cube root of, and 729 is written as 9 into 9 into 9, and for these three factors 9 into 9 into 9, we will write cube root of 70 minus cube root of 225. One factor is out. For these three similar factors, one factor is out. So minus 9, and this is equals to cube root of 70 minus cube root of 216. 225 minus 9 is 216. And again 216 will be written as cube root 170 minus cube root of 6 into 6 into 6. And that is equals to cube root of 70 minus, and for these three similar factors one factor will be out and that will be the cube root of 216. So cube root of 64, and that is equals to, again 64 will be written as 4 into 4 into 4, and that is equals to, for three similar factors one factor will be out and that will be the cube root of 64. That is 4 is the answer. In this way, we are solving the questions of cube roots. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe. And next time I will explain you how to evaluate the square roots. Thank you.